Hi all, Todd here.
Connie here.
And we are in Kannapolis.
Yeah.
At the Kannapolis Micro-Con.
Yep.
Yeah, my friend Chris is putting it on. It's also known as Beardy Weirdy.
Yep.
This should be a lot of fun. It's a nice cool day. It's about 30 degrees cooler than it was yesterday.
It's crazy. We love it.
Yeah, it feels real good. Nice cool breeze, low humidity.
Yeah.
Feels awesome. All right, let's go check out Kannapolis Micro-Con.
Yay.
Let's go. Yeah, we're right here in Cannon Village in Kannapolis. It's where all the old Cannon Mills used to be, and like all these apartments and stuff. But plenty of places to eat and shop around here as well. And I believe we're in this building. So check these cards out. Get some anime here. Let me see what it says over here. Grim Jowl Jaeger Jock. I think that's what it says. It's like an anime card. Got all kinds of signatures, probably maybe the voice actors. Then you get Optimus Prime here. Check this out. It's got a Transformer. Oh, Soundwave. Okay. Cool. I don't know my Transformers too well. Well, that's cool. Paint job. And Shanna Flame Haze. So you get some anime here. Then you get this guy over here. Midnight Mopar. So they're all themed out. Yeah, this one's Soundwave. I love that paint job. That's really cool. Look at that. Walk around here. Nice. Yeah, even the license plate Soundwave. And then Flame Haze here. Very cool. And it's kind of got a Batman theme, it looks like, over there. Alright, we're going to go inside. I'll show you where this little mini-con is. So this Tipsy Hare is one of the places it's in, but also the main place is the old Armor beer company over here. And this is the arcade I was talking about too. We'll go check that out. But it's in both of these breweries. So we're going here. There's Connie. Keeping dry. It's been kind of wet today. Looks like they have artists in here. So they kind of separated them into different things. Oh, we've got some vintage games here. This is cool. Look at this place. Let's get the Pokemon cards. We're going to be going, well, this is the first annual URA Bigfoot Festival, August 29th and 31st, and it's going to be in Denton. So we do the one in, that's new. We do the one in Marion. That's crafted by Courtney. Very cool.
I'm working on putting the white one together.
Got some more crochet here too. Love all the creativity. Here's the CAG. Here's our Star Trek guys right here. How's it going, guys? Hey. Doing great. Look at the brewery. It's really cool in here. It's called the Tipsy here. Ciderworks. Look at this place. Look at the artwork. I love that too. That's a cool table. Look at this. The barrels. Old bourbon barrels here. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the places you want to come in Kannapolis. Really cool themed out breweries and restaurants. Got the old Armor Beer Company Stinger Ale. Check that out. $5 each for a 19 ounce. Then you come over here to the other brewery. They do have an ATM here. That's good. Check this out. This is really, really nice. And we do have local artists here too. So let's walk around, check it out. There's the bar. But this is really cool. The beer helps. All the patches here, different fire departments and police departments. All the flags. And of course, comic books. Nice. Look at the beer vats over here. That's really neat. Isn't that cool? What do you think of this place?
This is a really nice brewery. I love this.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. They kind of crammed in here, but it's cool. They got all kinds of cool vendors and their goods here. Anime plushies. Hey, how you doing? Nice. Look at all the anime figures we've got here. We've got more beer vats here. Of course, comics is Egghead Collectibles. He's got the Funko Pops and comic books. And he got Legos too. Let me peek around. There you go. And like I said, this is the first time this has been here, so we're all experiencing it for the first time. Got some of his artwork here. So I got his card. This is Chris's artwork here, one of his cards. There's Chris right here. Got some amazing artwork. He's got his book here and you get prints and everything. Look at that. I love the style too. And you're online?
I am online.
Find you on
Find me
Facebook?
as Mental Pablum.
What is it?
Mental Pablum.
Nice. But yeah, look at this. Great stuff. And he's also got a comic book too. Check that out. Got a variant. Look at the covers. Very nice artwork. Look at that. Oh, that's great. I have to get him to pick that up and sign it. I want to get a close-up of his art, his metal sketch card. Here he is here. Metal Universe. Chris Reader. So getting Chris to sign it for me. It's awesome. I love your style. It looks great. Awesome. Always love getting signatures from the artists in their work.
Yeah, these are actually Upper Deck cards. They released Avengers.
Nice.
Marble metal, and these are artist proof, so it's original art that people could get.
Right.
These they let me keep.
Nice.
So,
oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Connie's going through some more of his artwork. Look at that crow.
I know, that's a cool crow.
Got Mandalorian over here with Rocket. It's a mishmash.
Oh!
There's Groot wearing the Panther jersey.
Yeah, Groot.
Right. Oh, I like that one there. Peacemaker. Well, Connie's going back, but
Sorry.
Got Ant-Man. But then you have the Peacemaker right there and Vigilante in Super Mario Brother with his superpowers. Yeah, this is such a cool little mini con here. It's a great selection of comic books. Look at all these. Great titles too. Some first appearances. Just a nice miscellaneous choices of comic books. Look at Radioactive Man. Get a nice box full of Lucy Ninja Turtles right here. And they're all individually priced. And of course, more comic books. Look at all these pins and buttons here. And all this awesome artwork right here as well. Check that out. I like the turtles right there. But this is such a cool place to come and have a little mini con right here in the brewery. Got keychains. It looks like they're Pokemon cards that are keychains. That's a great idea. But look at all these buttons. And there's Chris over there behind there talking to the customers. There he is. So got this booth here, of course, as he puts this on. This is a little baby here. We got RVK Comics and Toys right next door. I'll probably go through some of these comic books too, but look way back there. And then we're going to go, I'm going to go check this arcade out he's telling me about. That's just around the corner. See what's going on there too. And here's Chad's comic book boxes. Here he is here. There's Chad right there.
You're going to be in it.
Yeah, you're already in it. He always does great themes for the comic book boxes for your collections. Check that out. So, and he is always here at these little mini cons. Yeah, and you're at Heroes Con too, right?
Yes.
Yeah, he does Heroes Con. So I just love his work that he does with these themes of different comic books. And you also have your 3D prints here too. Yeah, I love that Snoopy. You have the green Power Ranger, the white Power Ranger, and you get some Stormtroopers. Clone Troopers. No, are they clone? Yeah, they're Clone Troopers. But all kinds of cool stuff. And there's Ghostface right here going through the 3D prints. And Halloween's going to be here before you know it. Check out the Jacks here. Them dinosaurs, snakes, all kinds of cool 3D stuff. There's our friend Trip up here. He's got the mask of the Jason mask going on. Some other cool stuff up there on the stage. And then over here, Ron's been doing photographs, of course. And he's got microphones, maybe doing a podcast too, I don't know. But yeah, he gets some really cool photos with some cool backdrops. Yeah, a lot of cosplayers here today walking around. See some Power Rangers. But yeah, again, if you're thinking about ever doing a mini-con or a cool little comic book con, yeah, a brewery appears to be a place to go to and do one. Found this dollar box here. I actually found a Sergeant Rock. So I do collect Sergeant Rock, so I'm going to go through these here at the Goblin Forge Comics. So yeah, I'm actually going through comic books to see what I might find. So I picked up a few comic books, and I'll share those with you at the end of the video. But now we're going to go down to this arcade that Chris was talking about. So from what he was telling me, we go through here, open this door, and then we go, check that out. That's cool. Then we go in this door. And K-Town, Kannapolis Town. Look at this. Wow, they renovated all this. We're going to go down here. Got some doggy prints and the stuff down there. But this is, welcome to the underground. Yeah, we're going underground, that's for sure. And I guess, let's see. I'm not sure. It's this way. It's got to be this way. So check this out. We got a little bowling alley down here. It's not called. It's not a bowling alley. What do they call it? They have the miniature bowling alley. But here's the arcade. Oh wow! Look at this. It's called Kingpin Bowling. Such a cool. Look at the dice. This is underneath the brewery. Holy moly! This is awesome. Get that music playing there. It's playing Scooby-Doo too, and the Addams Family on the big screens. And I got to show you the arcade over here. You got a bar here too. Look at that. Playing some anime, cartoons. But yeah, let's go into the other side. But yeah, it's called Kingpin down here. But let's walk over there and show you the other side of this amazing arcade. The restroom right here. I'll walk through here, a little tunnel. Look at this. Oh wow. Foosball. You got more lanes over here. Playing Popeye. You got the old theater seats too. I like that against the wall. Look at this. Holy moly, this is awesome. Here's the bar. Man, this is so cool. The old, the ceiling is the floor underneath the brewery. Jurassic Park. Isn't this cool, guys? Get the punching thing here. You can test your strength. Galaga. That's awesome. Wow. You got darts. Try your luck here and pull something out of here. Some cool prizes. All the little squeaky ducks. Wow. This is great. Look at this. Yeah, you got more down here. Maybe. No, it's exit. Oh, you get a little photo booth here called the Scene Machine. What do you think of this, Connie?
This is incredible down here.
Isn't this neat?
Absolutely. Holy moly.
And guys, this is what you can do in your small towns to bring business back. Stuff like this. More little duckies here you can try to get. That's awesome. You got like cool movie posters and different posters on the wall. This is an amazing arcade. You got a pool table. Gotta have that. Key Masters. Get some cool stuff here. Look at all these rides. All different arcade rides. The skee ball here. Check that out. Connie's up here on the motorcycle. She's not playing, but she's enjoying herself sitting down. But this is such a cool arcade called Kingpin. Wow, amazing. They got all kinds of cool games. We got some pinball classics over here. Jurassic Park, Ghostbusters, Addams Family. Got Dale Jr. We're in his own town of Kannapolis, so you can have Dale. And also this cool Doctor Who pinball. Get all the doctors there. Look at that. I thought I'd take you down here. Kind of a bonus footage. Another super check right here. Kind of a foosball-y. A little bit different. That's so neat. And I love that they got this other bowling area. Isn't that neat? This is great. So here you go at Kingpin. Come down here and support them. So we're looking for a place to eat here. Check this out. It's called the Bank Robber Bar. It's actually a bank. This is neat. Look at this. And they got different food vendors down here. Let me walk over here. Wow, this place is awesome. And then they've got a safe over here. I wanted to show you that. Checking out Mad Scientist there. Look at that. That's awesome. The old safe. Yeah, it's a bank. They converted into a food hall. This is neat. I don't know if we're going to eat here or not. We're going to look around and here, see what they have to offer. But got Big City Bites Bistro. Got another restaurant here, Led's Lab, with different things you can order right up here. So yeah, I'm not sure yet, but I wanted to show you the inside of this place. This is pretty awesome. It's also Skinny Buddha right here. And then in the corner here is Pizzeria Luciano's. You got light change up there. I'm not sure what's up there. So they have games and stuff up top. So you get 3 choices, or 4 choices. Pizzeria Luciano's. You got this one here, which is, yeah, that's the Big City Bites Bistro. Then you have the Skinny Buddha. And over here, let's see what the name of this one is. It is, okay. It's Bled's Lab. So that's Bled right there, the crazy scientist. That's Bled's right here. Oh, you can get electrocuted too if you want to. They have an electrocution chair here.
Nope, here we go.
It's honey, it's actually hooked up, so you need to be careful. So Connie and I decided to eat here in the old bank. Yeah, I'm getting some hibachi, and Connie's gonna get some dumplings. So yeah, we get it at the Skinny Buddha, and it looked really good too. So I'll show you our food when we get it. And check this out. We ate here in the bank. It's the original floor. Look at this, Cabarrus Bank and Trust Company, organized in 1897. Isn't that nuts? And they made it into a food hall. This is great. They also have this Bonnie and Clyde reproduction car here. Check that out, the old Ford. There they are in the seats right here in the front. We came out here at the Old Armor little outside bar here. We're gonna sit down here. It's nice and cool. Grabbed a brew, but I want to show you what I picked up. We got some Brew. Got some World's Finest. I love that cover too, Batman and Superman. Got Adventure Comics with Supergirl and Superman. And that's number 382. This one's 182, World's Finest. Picked up some Sergeant Rock right there. And it's October, and it's number 211. I was born in October. I'm not sure what year this is. I'll have to look it up, but it's number 211. And Ghastly Tales. Pick that up as well. Love the covers of these. And then last but not least, picked up Weird Adventure Comics. Check that out. Number 434. Hey guys, we're here with some friends of the channel. Ran into them here in Kannapolis at this con, at the Kannapolis Micro-Con. And please tell them what your channel is.
Check out our channel. It's The Retro Cult. The website's theretrocult.com.
Awesome.
This is my co-founder, Chuck.
Oh, that's great.
My name's Mac.
And guys, check their channel out and subscribe. And we're enjoying a nice beverage here outside in Kannapolis. Yeah, right here in Cannon Village. Got a dog barking behind us. But it is dog friendly here, that's for sure. But we had a great time here at Kannapolis Micro-Con. Thanks, Chris, for having us out. And good to see everybody as well.
Yeah.
And also some of our friends of the channel. Great running to those people, and be sure to subscribe to them too. All right, guys, you take care. Stay tuned for more. Please subscribe if you haven't, and join the family, and we would love to have you. All right, guys, more coming soon. Bye-bye.